Hello folks, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. Welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we looked at the cost of processing non-conformities. If you missed it, check the link below. Today, we're covering one of the final stages in our 14-step NC-CAPA process. Lessons learned, or as ISO calls it, organizational knowledge. There's a saying, the wise learn from others' mistakes, the smart learn from their own, and some never learn at all. Unfortunately, that last part often applies to how companies handle non-conformities. A questionable root cause gets documented. A vague corrective action is performed. Effectiveness is closed without much evidence. And that's it. On to the next NC. If someone later asks what the typical root cause or failure mode is, the answer becomes a time-consuming hunt. The data is buried either in paper files or in electronic systems that aren't searchable, which means lost learning and repeated mistakes. The solution? A lessons learned database. While these are regularly used in industries like project management or aerospace, most companies skip this opportunity. That's unfortunate because corrective action is one of the most powerful tools in any management system. Done right, it improves business performance. Here are numerous practical benefits of a lessons learned database. Supports clause 10.2.1 by making it easier to find similar past non-conformities. Speeds up investigations by showing what was tried before and whether it worked. Improves decisions with easy access to root causes and effectiveness records. Preserves organizational knowledge beyond memory or scattered notes. Enables trend analysis when categories are consistent and searchable. Turns each NC into a real learning opportunity, fueling continual improvement. That sounds interesting, but how can we make it work? The solution is a knowledge or lessons learned database. If you use an electronic NC-CAPA system, talk to your software provider. Ask whether your application supports trend reports and KPI tracking. If so, you may not need separate lessons learned software. Consider off-the-shelf tools to manage knowledge if you use a hard copy system. Many simple options are available. If budget or infrastructure is tight, build a spreadsheet-based database. Just make sure it captures consistent categories across all records. Drop a comment and let me know how your system handles lessons learned. I'll send you a free download link to my book. The final step in our NC-CAPA process is administration, ensuring all approvals are complete and the record is appropriately archived. This is all for today, folks. Let's summarize what we covered today. Be wise. Learn from previous mistakes. Lessons learned databases are proven tools to build organizational knowledge. Searchable records make it easier to retrieve similar non-conformities. Meaningful KPI trends rely on structured, accessible data. In our following video, we'll discuss the continual improvement process. Don't miss the show, stay tuned. As always, check out the free resources on our website. If interested, use the link below to download a PDF copy of the complete NC-CAPA process. If you find this video helpful, please like, repost, and subscribe. Your support helps grow the Lean ISO community. Thanks for watching, stay lean, and see you next time.